Stop saying entertain. This one word makes you sound mesmerizing. Regale. Pronounce it as regale, where the second syllable rhymes with male or sail. It means to entertain, amuse, or delight someone, especially with lively storytelling, conversation, or a lavish feast. Uncle Leo sat by the campfire, holding everyone spellbound as he regaled them with wild stories of his youth in the Amazon. Instead of saying entertain, say regale to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word regale in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.